Civil 3D 2012 has added properties to allow for more customizable label and marker rotations. Something so small can make a big difference in your workflow. So let's begin by taking a look here at this drawing. And I'm simply going to zoom into one of my points here and select it. Notice how I'm given two grips. The top grip allows me to move and rotate my label, while the bottom grip allows me to move and rotate my marker. I'm going to demonstrate by rotating my label first. I'm simply going to come in here and select it, and it's asking me to specify my rotation angle. Notice that my rotation angle was set to 45 degrees and my label rotated 45 degrees but did not rotate my marker. Likewise, if I come in and again select my point, but this time choose to rotate my marker, I can also rotate my marker independently of my label. We can also see this feature in the Properties dialog box. So if I simply select my point again and come to the Labels property, I notice I have two fields independent of each other for the label rotation and the marker rotation. In here, I could simply change the rotation angle of each if I wanted to. And again, notice how they both rotated independently. Another new feature is the ability to set maximum text width. This allows you to force line breaks for long labels, and it has the same behaviors as the defined width property of an mText object. We're going to demonstrate this by coming and creating a point. I'm going to come in here and change the style of my point to read description only. Notice how my point with its long label is stretching across much of my drawing. I can change that by simply going to the Settings tab in Tool Space, going and finding that label style, editing it, and then notice how my label adjusted accordingly. And now we could go in and again adjust the rotation of the label if need be to help clean up the drawing just a bit more. The payoff of label improvements is that customers now have more tools to assist in drawing annotation and construction documentation preparation. These tools allow them to take advantage of the dynamic modeling and labeling of Civil 3D while meeting their standard labeling requirements.